What's up guys, got my turbo back from being rebuilt and upgraded, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a review before we install it in the car. Got my turbo back from Hill Country Forced Induction. They're located out in Las Cruces, New Mexico. They were super responsive. Sent my turbo out on a Monday, got it back on a Friday. And this is a VF48 with an upgraded billet 11 blade compressor wheel. They also port and polished the inlet, so that should provide a little bit better airflow. And they powder coated it also, made it look a little nicer. It was looking pretty bad when I sent it off to them. Unfortunately, I don't have any before pictures. One of the biggest things they did was they sealed up the wastegate crack that's pretty common amongst these. And they welded that all back together, so that shouldn't be a problem anymore. I don't think it was that big of a problem before, but it won't get worse. So my next video is going to be installing this thing on the car and seeing what kind of power it can make. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out a lot more videos.